Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a strawberry beaded ring and it's super easy to make, so let's get straight into it. Alright, to get started I would cut off about 12 inches of wire. I used a little bit more than that and had extra at the end. Starting on one end of your wire, we can do our very first strawberry. So we're going to put on one green bead, which symbolizes the leaf, and then 3 red beads for the actual strawberry, of course. And it should look just like that. Now we're going to take our beads and go to the very bottom of our wire. You're going to want to leave about 1 inch of room so that none of our beads fly off. And then with the top of our wire, we're going to take that and weave it through the very first green bead. You're going to leave all the red beads alone, but just as you can see here, we're just weaving it through that one green bead, and then you're going to pull on that extra wire right there. And once you go all the way through, your very first strawberry is done. I'll show you this process a few more times, but it's really basic. Now we're going to add in what I like to call our filler color. I'm using 5 yellow beads. It doesn't matter how many beads you use or which color. This is simply your personal preference and how much spacing you want in between each strawberry, so you can use more or less. We're just going to add those and put those to the bottom of our wire. I will show you how to do your strawberries one more time. So we're going to put on our 1 green bead and our 3 red beads at the top of our wire. Then we're going to let those fall to the bottom. Pay no attention to the yellow beads. Remember, we're only going through the 1 green bead. So just like that, just weave it through that 1 green bead with the top piece of our wire. And then pull on that wire, and once you go all the way through, you are done with your second strawberry. You're going to do this process over and over, doing 1 strawberry and then your filler color, which for me is the 5 yellow beads, and then another strawberry. And once we have enough length to go around your finger, I will show you how to close it. Once you're done with all your strawberries, please make sure to add your filler color at the end so that when we close it, you don't have 2 strawberries clashing against each other. Alright, to get started on our closing process, we're going to take the longer end of our wire and we're going to weave it through the very first green bead on the first strawberry we ever did. It might take some wiggling around, it might be a little bit stiff, so have some patience. And once you get it through, your wire might be a little bit stiff, so I used my pliers to help pull it. But once you get it pulled through, now we have a ring shape. Now that we've gone through that 1 green bead, we're going to go through the 5 yellow beads that are right next to it. This also might take a little bit of wiggling, a little bit of patience. And then once you get it through, just pull that all the way. And once you get it, your ring should be stiff enough now where you can hold it by the end of the wire and it shouldn't come apart. To make sure that our wire doesn't come undone, I like to make little coils around the band of the ring, and to do that you just take your wire and you're just going in circles, going over and under. I went around 3 times and this is what those little coils would look like. Now you can take your wire cutters and snip off any of that extra wire as close to the band as you can get it, and then you can take your pliers and smooth out that wire against the band as much as you can. Once it's all smoothed out, it'll look pretty seamless, just like this. Now finally, we just have to get rid of that little extra piece of wire we've had from the beginning. So we're just going to do the exact same thing, make our little 3 coils going up and over around the band. With our wire cutters, we can trim off that extra wire and we can use our pliers to smooth it out against the band. And here's what those coils will look like. And we are all done. I think the final ring turned out absolutely adorable. Look at it. Look at the little straws. I think it's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like videos like this, please subscribe. Give me suggestions in the comments of what you want to see. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.